The new Lionel 2022 catalog came out today, and there's some new Strasburg Railroad themed items. Here is the Strasburg Engine 31, priced at $799. It's built to order and has legacy. It features standard legacy system, tethered drawbar, dual electrocouplers, slow speed operation, and a minimum curve of 031, and 17.18 inches long. It's a picture of it zoomed in. Here's a new Amtrak engine, F40PH, that has legacy diesel features, strobe and emergency lights, road number on body, and it's 14.25 inches long. That could be used on your Strasburg layout too, because the Amtrak train passes in Paradise. There's the other Amtrak engine with a new modern logo. Here are the new Amtrak passenger cars. Here's a new Strasburg caboose. Strasburg number 1, and priced at $180. Still available from 2021 is a Strasburg Engine 90 O-gauge legacy control system with Odyssey speed control. Here's a close-up of it. The 2021 model comes in 3 different logos. There's a standard logo. There's the Strasburg Paradise observation car. The Philadelphia and Reading observation car. And here are all the passenger cars. Also available from 2021 is the Strasburg Lionel Legacy Diesel Locomotive, number 8618. It's $450.